Itinaas niya ang kanyang kamay nang saktong dumaan ng tren. Nang biglang nahagip siya. Nahulog din ang biktima sa siwang sa pagitan ng tren at platform.
Hi guys, what's up? My name is Ronald. Meron lang tayong bagong balita. Would you risk your life para lang makakuha ng Instagram photo? Or beautiful photo ng isang lugar? Ito ba yung tinatawag na buwis buhay photo? Nangyari to sa Taiwan a few days ago sa isang Filipina. Let's just call her Michelle. Michelle is a Filipina tourist in Taiwan. Pumunta siya doon kasama yung kaibigan niya. And then they decided to go to this famous train station doon sa Shifen Old Street. Kilala yung lugar as a tourist spot. Actually, this is where the Sky Lantern traditional event happens. It is just normal na magpa-picture sa lugar. So Michelle asked her friend na picturean siya sa mismong Riles. Nung paparating na yung train, for some reason, tinaas niya yung kamay niya. Michelle decided to raise her hand. Hindi niya na-realize na malapit na masyado yung train nung tinaas niya yung kamay niya. And this happened. Sa sobrang lakas ng force, pumailalim si Michelle sa train at nagkaroon siya ng mga major injuries. She sustained head, spine, chest, and pelvic injury. But fortunately, the odds are with Michelle. She is still conscious habang meron siyang mga injury na the Taiwan medical team rushed in at dinala siya sa Keelung Hospital para gamutin yung mga injuries niya. As of today, she's still recovering, pero I would say this is her second life or second chance in life. She's out of danger nga, sabi nila. Hindi na life-threatening yung situation niya. Despite all of this things na nangyari kay Michelle, she might be penalized or might pay a penalty of $300 equivalent to 17,000 pesos. Dahil against nga sa batas ng Taiwan yung ginawa niya na pagtapak sa Riles. I hope na maging okay si Michelle and things will go out smoothly. Kayo ba guys, what do you think of this situation? Would you risk your life? Is it worth, diba, to get this kind of photos? But I'm still curious, no? Ano kayang kinalabasan ng picture? I want to see the photo, the result of the photo, what Michelle did. Yun lang guys, shout out sa mga subscribers and sa mga supporters tulad ni Marilu. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.